So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to get a void check in Scotiabank. So first, you need to access your phone, and actually you need to access or open any search engine or web browser based on your preference. And after that, you're going to utilize your search bar for you to able to search for Scotiabank. So after that, you will redirect to this page, and actually you could click the three lines located at the top right corner of your screen, but you could also scroll it down until you reach the footer. And as you can see under Help Center and Get Support, we have a highlighted text right here. We just have to click on the Contact Us. Once you click on that one, you will have a few options whether you could actually talk to an advisor or visit your nearest branch or even call them via hotline or even just send them a mail or just contact them on their social media via X or formerly Twitter. And you could actually ask for help for you to able to ask your representative from Scotiabank for you to able to get assisted on how to get a void check on their bank. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.